Hello and very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your news host Parvati Nirban. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-round update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of evolving digital segment including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity and several other related issues. Keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in digital space. Let's get into the world of crypto with English News Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Cryptocurrencies consolidate on profit-taking, wavering risk appetite. Indian law enforcement accuses WazirX exchange of aiding in laundering of $130 million. ED freezes $46.5 million worth assets of crypto exchange Vauld. Blackrock starts private trust offering direct exposure to Bitcoin. US regulators ask big hedge funds to disclose crypto exposure. Crypto miner Core Scientific cuts 10% of staff. Maven 11 launches $30 million lending pool on Maple Finance. 7% Indians own crypto, 7th highest globally, reported by UN. Cryptocurrencies consolidated Friday on profit-taking after two of the biggest currencies jumped to two-month high, bolstered by expectations that inflation may have peaked, which will likely encourage the Federal Reserve to ease its pace of rate hikes later in the year. Bitcoin fluctuated near $24,000. US stocks ended mixed with Dow Jones closing marginally higher, while the broader market S&P 500 eked out a small gain. Nasdaq ended lower by 0.6%. However, bond yields climbed, indicating that investors lacked conviction on easing inflation as the measure continued to hover near a 4-decade high, which could cloud the Fed's judgment on slowing the pace of hikes. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, found support from Blackrock, the world's largest asset manager, moved to launch its first ever spot Bitcoin private trust to expand its reach in the digital asset sector. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $23,950, down by nearly 2% in the past 24 hours. ETH, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,885, little change in a similar time span. All other major altcoins traded mixed. India's Enforcement Directorate, the agency responsible for financial crimes, is looking at cryptocurrency exchanges suspected of processing transactions that sent more than 10 billion rupees or about $130 million from firms under investigation to international wallets. Transactions of up to 1 billion rupees or $1.3 million were allegedly made in the names of the people with no connections to the money by companies under investigation in a case involving instant loans. These companies often had ties to China. Even though Know Your Customer anti-money laundering procedures showed the transactions to be suspicious, no enhanced due diligence was performed and no suspicious transactions reports were filed with the ED. The ED is expected to question officials of these crypto exchanges on the transfer of funds and compliance with the anti-money laundering norms. The Enforcement Directorate of India has frozen bank assets worth of rupees 370 crores or about $46.5 million belonging to cryptocurrency exchange Vauld on Thursday. Vauld Crypto Exchange is already going through financial strain as the exchange halted all withdrawals and deposits on the platform last month. This development comes days after ED froze nearly $8.1 million worth bank assets belonging to cryptocurrency exchange WazirX director Sameer Matre in connection with the money laundering investigation. The exchange, in an update response, said, "We are investigating this matter. We kindly request your patience and support. We will keep you updated as soon as we have more information on this." BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has launched its first ever spot Bitcoin private trust to expand its reach in the digital assets sector. The trust, which will be first available to US-based institutional clients, will be BlackRock's first product that offers direct exposure to the price of Bitcoin. On August 4, BlackRock announced a deal with crypto exchange Coinbase to offer institutional investors access to crypto beginning with Bitcoin. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest on Saturday said BlackRock's entrance into crypto could see a wall of investor money flow into Bitcoin, bolstering its price significantly. The two main market regulators in the United States are asking huge hedge funds to reveal their cryptocurrency holdings as part of an attempt to assess and limit the risk within private investing businesses and harming the financial system. The Securities and Exchange Commission and Commodity Future Trading Commission voted to forward a plan that involves asking private funds to record crypto exposures in confidential filings. The public will have 60 days to comment on the plans, which will far go beyond crypto disclosure. The decision comes as big players in traditional finance are increasingly investing in crypto, requiring regulators to keep tabs on who owns what and how much. Crypto miner Core Scientific cuts 10% of its staff and dramatically reduced the value of its assets as the cryptocurrency rout continued to drag on the industry. The workforce reduction was announced Thursday as the company reported its second quarter financial results, which included an $840 million charge to reduce the accounting value of its assets that took the core's net loss for the period to $862 million. CFO Dennis Sterling said during the earnings conference call that the staff cuts were surgical and didn't affect operational personnel in Core Scientific's data centers. However, Core stuck with its forecast for the company's hash rate, a measure of computing power on the Bitcoin network and a key metric for mining companies. On May 12, Core Scientific lowered its 2022 hash rate projection to 30 to 32 exahash per second and total power of about 1 gigawatt, citing market turmoil. The company retained that forecast Thursday. Netherlands-based crypto investment firm Maven 11 has launched its third lending pool on Maple Finance, giving borrowers access to liquidity amid the bear market. The $30 million pool financed by institutional lenders will be utilized by trading firms that include Wintermute, Oros, and Flow Traders, among others. The new pool is designed specifically for institutions looking for yield opportunities. Maple, a decentralized finance credit platform, is filling a void left by implosion of leading centralized finance companies such as Celsius. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates of crypto world, don't forget to watch English News Bulletin twice a day only on 3.0 TV. For more updates, latest stories and news podcasts, don't forget to like, share, comment or subscribe 3.0 TV on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I am your news host Parvati Nirman signing off for now. See you tomorrow and have a wonderful day.